Hi guys, welcome to UAV Simplified. So today I got the delivery of my Holybro Kakute flight controller along with the Tekko 4-in-1 ESC Combo. So let's unbox it together. The flight controller and ESC combo comes in this plastic box. It's sealed with a holographic sticker. Let's open the seal and see how it looks inside. So that's your first look at the flight controller and ESC stack. Let's get it out. As you can see guys, the stack comes with its standoff screws and you don't need to worry about ordering it separately. On the top you can see the soft mounted gyro chip. This helps in vibration, isolation and removes the requirement for soft mounting the flight controller itself. Let's flip it over. That's the Tekko 4-in-1 ESC. Overall it looks like a matching pair, both dressed in black and copper. Let's keep this aside and see what else is there in the box. These are the connecting wires for the FC and the ESC. Looks like there are two wires and a spare foam for mounting the gyro. There's some more stuff under the packaging material. Let's remove and see what it is. So under this we have a capacitor which we will connect to the ESC battery terminal. Lastly, we have some stickers which you can use to decorate your drone. So guys, this is the Holybro Kakute flight controller with the Tekko ESC combo. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel so that you get notified when our next video comes online.